I'd like to present to you the Lady of Winterfell, Lady Stoneheart, the first Queen of the North.
You have a new sister.
Catelyn Bark.
What do you guys think? We got a puppy. That's what mommy and daddy went to go get.
We in the car we were just talking, like, if we got a dog, if it was a girl dog, I would name it Winter.
Of Winterfell.
Her name is
Catelyn. She is the size of a
call her
cat. Her name is Catelyn. Catelyn Bark.
What do you think about having a dog?
Maya, you need to learn how to be nice to this dog. I already know.
Isn't she cute? Just kidding, it's not ours. No, it's grandma. It's grandma's dog.
Just kidding, it's
Isn't she adorable? She's really scared.
Yeah,
she
she's
wasn't
scared.
like this at the.
Yeah,
she's
she's a very sweet dog.
She's soft.
She's soft.
Where's her
You guys ready for some responsibility?
Yeah,
Where's her bed?
Do you believe that? I've been quiet about this. all
Kid, you finally have a dog, dude.
I think he's in shock.
She's gonna
He's
sleep
in
in our
shock.
room.
This is your dog.
Are you in shock? This is your
Yeah,
dog. This is both of your dogs.
You got a dog.
Isn't she so sweet?
She is the most sweetest.
She's
little-
very nervous because she's never been
So
here.
you got to be very slow with her, very quiet.
How old is she?
3
She's
months,
just 3 months.
baby.
She's free.
She's a baby.
She's free.
She's 3 months old.
She's pretty big. How old is she?
She is pretty big.
How
isn't
old
she?
is she? You're pretty big as Is she 1 year old, baby?
3 months, Maya. 12
She's
months in
only
a
12
year.
weeks old. Well, she's more like 15 weeks old.
Okay.
What do you think about
How
it?
old is her?
We have a dog.
Is she 1 or 2 or She's actually
She's less than one.
Rebel and Jack.
Less than
I know,
one.
I think she is cute.
Less than one.
Isn't
She's
she?
not. She's not one yet.
Yeah,
She's not
I
even
love
one
the
yet.
face.
She
I
is
want-
the
There was a
she's
moment-
a zero. She's
Yeah.
she's
She's closer to zero.
We have to give her a bath like once a week or once every 2 weeks.
Okay,
Yeah,
she'll
not
enter.
too much because.
Okay, she'll enter back
Okay, I
like.
did that one.
Okay, she'll enter back and
Oh, she likes you, buddy. Oh, putting a little paw up there.
She's nervous. Did you
Yeah.
give her water?
Yeah, she didn't drink it. She wouldn't take any
She's
snacks.
nervous at first, but
Yeah.
what kind of food?
She didn't really say. She just said twice a day and
Puppy, buy.
She
I
just-
would get good food. Start off with good food, then you have less poop. Either I use